I chose the criminal justice program at BGSU because I was able to take a criminal justice course at my high school in Cleveland.
Since starting the criminal justice program, I quickly learned about Dr. Stinson's research.
The way I was able to get involved with the database project, I was in one of my classes, one of my professors, and he actually recommended me to Dr. Stinson and asked if I'd be interested in a research position to study police crime. I was very interested in that and thought it'd be a great opportunity for me.
I really enjoyed studying criminal justice because I loved the theory behind why people commit crime. I continued on to get my PhD at Bowling Green because I really enjoyed the research I did. I got involved with the database project during my master's degree. It was an opportunity that combined both criminal justice and statistics, both of my passions, and really hone in on the data of law enforcement officers who were arrested.
I think what's going to help the students the most in their future careers is actually the experience as opposed to the knowledge specifically that they get from working in this research group. It's important at a research university such as Bowling Green State University. We take great strides to include our students. They become actually a very valued employee, a very valued member of the research team, and frankly, I think of them as colleagues as opposed to students.
We are able to do research about something we're passionate about, but this is also like topics that has been in the news. Since it has been on the news, we can gather data about it more and understand it more. We can understand it where it's happening and why it's happening. Allows us to gain that experience that we wouldn't get as an undergrad student at BGSU.
The Police Crime Database has helped me with my student experience because I was able to work on a research project with Dr. Stinson, and we presented it at the Academy of Criminal Justice Sciences.
My involvement with the Henry A. Wallace database has given me the opportunity to present my research at national conferences as well as hopefully publish in journals.
Working with the database project has definitely positively impacted my student experience. It's helped me kind of reach out and know other people in my major and also get to know my professors more.
It allows me to apply like these concepts we are learning in social psychology or the criminal justice theories we are learning in juvenile justice into real world examples.
It's taught me a lot more about law enforcement in general and how kind of the whole criminal justice system works, especially the criminal courts, as I deal a lot with court records and stuff like that.
I think that it's very unique research and something that people aren't very aware of. I think the most surprising thing I've come across in the research is the lack of accountability there seems to be for police officers.
The research we do at the Police Integrity Research Group is research for the public good. It's research that makes a difference, and the reason that it's important is that it informs the public. It's research data that simply isn't available anywhere else.
The research from the Police Integrity Research Group is really for the public good, and the Henry A. Wallace database is really a one-of-a-kind database which displays information and data on police crime and police misconduct. We're the only database that collects this information.
I definitely believe that this project helps the public good in a way of bringing the problem of police crime to light.
To the donor, I will honestly say thank you. Your impact at the end of the day is more than monetary, but also allows us to study our passions and do something we're passionate about.
I would like to thank Wallace Action Fund of Tides Foundation for both funding my education as well as giving me research opportunities.
I want Mr. Wallace to understand that his financial support for my research and our research here at the Police Integrity Research Group has made a difference. We have no other external funding source for this research. We have no other funding at all. So without the support of the Wallace Action Fund, the Tides Foundation, we would not be able to employ any of our student research assistants. We'd no longer be able to maintain our database system. We'd no longer be able to collect and process and analyze the data. So it's important research, and we're very, very thankful for the ongoing support.